Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RV battery monitors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Victron Energy BMV712 battery monitor. The Victron Energy BMV712 Smart RV battery monitor comes at the first position of this list since this is one of the most durable and reliable options out there. Not only that, but this RV battery monitor also supports a pretty high current range of 0 to 500 amps, which is always great to have. Although, its voltage range of 6.5 to 70 volts can be a bit limited. Despite having such a small form factor, this RV battery monitor still manages to include a compact display at the front. And if that is not enough for you, you will be glad to know that this is a smart battery monitor which includes Bluetooth connectivity and a companion smartphone app. Coming to one of the key features of this RV battery monitor, you will be glad to know that it includes a 5-year-long warranty, making it ideal for long-term usage. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Renogy 500A battery monitor. Renogy's 500A RV battery monitor comes at the second position of this listicle, as this RV battery monitor offers the highest ranges in terms of the readings that it can offer to the user. For starters, it features a current range of 0 to 500 amps. This is combined along with a pretty high voltage range of 10 to 120 volts, which should be more than enough than what you will ever require. While this RV battery monitor does not feature Bluetooth connectivity, you do get a pretty large screen size included with it for easily checking your readings. Talking about the readings, this battery monitor also shows you battery capacity and power consumption along with backlighting and data storage features. Because this RV battery monitor is meant for heavy-duty usage, it also includes a decent 3-year-long warranty. At number 3, we have the Bayite District of Columbia 6.5 to 100 volts battery monitor. This Bayite RV battery monitor comes at the third position of this article because it is the cheapest option stated here in this list. And even at its given price tag, you get a decent current reading range of 0 to 100 amps out of it. You also get a pretty decent voltage reading range of 6.5 to 100 volts with this RV battery monitor, making it highly versatile. Speaking of versatility, it happens to be a 4-in-1 meter that can also show you active power usage and energy rating as well. Unfortunately, the display size of this budget-friendly RV battery monitor is a bit limited, which is to be expected at the given price. Although, what you will not expect is that included 1-year-long warranty. At number 2, we have the Innova 3721 battery monitor. The Innova 3721 RV battery monitor is among one of the most unique battery monitor models available out there. This is primarily due to the reason that instead of connecting directly to the batteries of your RV, it connects to the 12-volt power sockets present inside your RV. As a result, it has a fixed voltage reading value of 12 volts. Unfortunately, it does not show you the current value, which can be quite an issue for many. Although, checking the battery capacity and voltage is still pretty easy thanks to its LCD display and colored LED indicator lights. Even with its compact size, it has an adjustable head allowing you to check all the required details. Innova includes a decent 1-year-long warranty with this RV battery monitor, which is always great to have. And finally, at number 1, we have the MICTUNING District of Columbia 6.5 to 100 volts battery monitor. This MICTUNING RV battery monitor is among the cheapest options available out there, making it great for buyers on a budget. Even at its given price tag, you get a decent current range of 0 to 100 amps. It is combined along with a similarly decent and suitable voltage range of 6.5 to 100 volts in terms of the readings that you can get from it. Since this is a 4-in-1 multimeter, it can also show you the power and energy readings at the same time. Despite having such a small display, this RV battery monitor also supports an alarm function, a backlighting function, and even a data storage option, making it highly versatile. You also get a 1-year-long warranty with this affordable RV battery monitor, making it a great value for money pick for many. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.